I think Ready Set Grow is a very good opportunity for new students who are trying to get their career started, who actually don't know what they want to do in the future.
We're here looking for students that would be interested in internships or careers after graduation. So we're both UD alumni and excited here to meet some students.
I'm here representing the small animal veterinarians. There are multiple fields of veterinarians, so lots of opportunities as far as that goes.
I think this is a great event. A lot of students came by, excellent quality students. They get a chance to interact with companies and get to know what we do.
And I knew this would be a great opportunity to actually meet people and get names. And I've applied to a lot of things online, but I haven't gotten a lot of practice actually talking with people. So I was able to meet some people who I had applied for positions.
It's like an opportunity for me to meet potential employers. So I'm really excited because of the crop of people that are here today.